How to earn money. There are several ways to earn money online. Here are a few popular methods. Freelancing. If you have a skill such as writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Clients post projects, and you can bid on them or create your own gig to attract clients. Online surveys and microtasks. Some websites pay users for completing online surveys, participating in market research, or performing small tasks like data entry, image categorization, or content moderation. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Clickworker offer such opportunities. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can either create your own products or source them from suppliers. Dropshipping is another option where you sell products without keeping inventory, as the supplier handles shipping directly to the customers. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Websites like tutor.com, VIPKid, or Check Tutors connect tutors with students for various subjects and levels. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies or use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share Hustle. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast. With consistent effort and a growing audience, you can monetize your content through advertisements, sponsored content, brand partnerships, or crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Remember, earning money online requires effort, dedication, and often some initial investment. It's important to research and choose reliable platforms, develop your skills, and be consistent in your efforts to achieve success.